Hey guys, so excited to share with you this awesome 5-in-1 immersion blender. This is so great, easy to use, comes with some really great things here. This user manual is super helpful. It has these awesome whisks and then this milk frother, so I love using that for frothing my milk, whisking eggs. You have the main unit itself. This has different controls, very easy to use. You have tons of different options. You can pour it in here. It has your lines on there so you can see how much. You have this great chopper. I'm going to be chopping up onions, but also having some options here so you know how much you have. So I'm going to throw my onions in there. You have this great sharp blender here, and then you have the top and the accessories to add your items. So very easy to use. I love that you can throw this in the dishwasher. You can wash it up very nice. I'm going to get busy and show you how it works, but if you're looking for a great product, definitely go check this out. So check that out, minced my onions perfectly how I'd like them. You were able to decide your level, so as you can see when I was pushing very little, it went down to low, higher, it went higher, so very great, easy to use. I also love that this has that anti-scratch protective guard, so that's really great. And then if you are blending things, you could just push it in here, and then that's going to be really nice having that cover. It's not going to splat and get it all over all your clothes. And then I love that these can be washed in the dishwasher, so it makes it so handy and easy to clean up.